its first official moving day. Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie if you're new, and today we're doing, I cannot believe I'm saying this, we're doing a moving vlog. You heard correctly, I'm gonna be moving from my childhood home after 21 years. But yeah, I'm finally moving out with my boyfriend and I cannot wait. We've been like looking for an apartment for such a long time and we finally found the place. It's nothing crazy, like you're gonna see it. It's like a tiny apartment, but I love the part of the city that it's located in. As you know, I live in Prague and it's located in Vinohrady, which is a part of the city where like there's so many cute cafes and restaurants and clubs and parks. Like it's like the best part of the city, okay? So I cannot wait to be living there. But yeah, still, it's kind of like a bittersweet feeling. I feel like if you've moved out of your childhood home, you probably also experienced this. I don't know, like I suddenly found out how much I love this home. Like I'm not moving out of my hometown, so I'm still gonna come back here. But it's just like the first time I'm gonna have my own place with my boyfriend. So it's just like a completely new experience for me and I cannot wait for this new chapter in my life. But yeah, I'm actually gonna do like a whole moving series, like a couple of videos of, you know, getting the apartment ready. But today we're just gonna go in there and give it like a good clean. Just make sure that it's ready for our furniture and for our clothes and all of our stuff. But yeah, whatever. I'm gonna go pack up my cleaning supplies and let's go. I finished packing. I have everything set up there, all of my cleaning supplies, and I made my iced coffee. I packed like a little music sound box. I packed my iPad, a candle. So yeah, let's go and let's start the journey. Baby, what is today?
First official day!
Moving day! I'm too excited, I'm being annoying, but yeah, it's first official moving day.
That's key, I'm sure.
Thank you. Oh, welcome to my home! Okay, the echo is crazy because it's very empty. Basically, all we have is this one cupboard that we need to keep here. And other than that, it's empty, so yeah. Anyways, we got here like 15 minutes ago and I had a little mental breakdown because I'm just too excited about this. So I calmed down, Vojta went home. He's gonna get me some space to clean it here and to give you a empty apartment tour. I think we're actually gonna start with that and then we're gonna move on to the cleaning. So yeah, let me show you. Okay, so this is the front door and when you enter, this is what you see. This is like the main living room and dining room and kitchen area. This is bedroom / office area, okay? And then we also have this little hall area right here and it leads to the 2 rooms. And this is the bathroom and this is the toilet. So everything is nicely laid out, very easy, very basic, just the way I like it. So let me show you. First, let's start with the bathroom. This is how it looks like, everything we need. We have a bathtub and a shower. We have a little mirror. I have to buy a mirror to put right here. We have a sink. It's so dirty though, like everything is just so nasty, so I'm gonna take care of that. Also, like the owners, I really love their style because they have like little tiny details all throughout this apartment. Like for example, these hooks and then these little ones right here that match with this shelf. Like it's just little details like this that just makes me appreciate the owners because it just looks so nice. I'm so excited to like decorate this and like put little flowers there and like, I don't know, just make it all look really pretty. And then at the other side of the bathroom, we have the toilet. This is it, basic toilet area. We have like a tiniest little sink. So cute. And here is a place for the washing machine, so we're probably gonna put it right here. And then we have a little shelf for like all the cleaning supplies, which is very convenient, so that's amazing. Okay, moving on to the bedroom. I'm gonna do a voiceover for this part because my microphone just wasn't working properly. But yeah, here I'm showing you that there are still a couple of things from the owners that I will have to pack up for them, so that's gonna be all gone. but they actually installed this amazing candle chandelier, which I just find super, super cool. So I wanted to show you. It doesn't light up, but I don't even care because I usually never use the main light in a room. I always use like tiny little lamps. But yeah, other than that, it's just a white room with wooden floors, so nothing special. I still have to figure out where our bed is gonna be, but that will probably be in a different video, so stay tuned. So yeah, that's the bedroom. Moving on to this area, which is currently very dirty. Like I just, brought everything here, so just excuse the mess. This is gonna be the living room, and then this is the kitchen area. However, this is going to change like completely because we're gonna have to do a new kitchen and we're gonna use probably IKEA for that. But yeah, this is the only thing that we kind of like have to keep, and it's this giant cupboard, but I don't even care because it's white and it's very practical. Like it has so many shelves and everything, so I don't even care. And then we will have our living room area right here in this corner. I don't know if you remember when we moved to my grandma's flat for like 3 months with my boyfriend, like 2 years ago, I think. But basically, if you've seen any of these videos, she had like the best couch in the whole entire world, and it is pink. It's a pink couch, okay? And she actually gave it to me, okay? Which is crazy because it's literally so expensive. And it's so beautiful, and she just gave it to me. She's just the best grandma in the whole entire world. So we're gonna bring the pink couch into this room, and it's gonna be either facing this wall or right here, like in front of the window. There's just a lot of stuff to figure out, but that's for later. Now, let's clean. I think I'm just gonna start out with trying to clean or like put away as much of the owner's stuff as possible, just to completely clear out the room so I can start, sweeping and everything. So let's do it. Okay guys, so as you saw, we did so much work today. I cleaned this whole giant cupboard, which took me like 2 hours because like dusting this thing was crazy and the amount of dust was even crazier. But yeah, now I will just quickly tidy up a bit and then I'll just pack my things and leave home, and I'll probably come back sometime during this week and like finish the bathroom and the toilet because that's just a whole another thing. But yeah, I mean, I did a lot of work today, so I'm proud of myself, and it definitely doesn't smell like dust in here anymore, so job well done.